In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Jira Software Cloud for an easy integration. This process will allow you to streamline your project management tasks and enhance the collaboration between your teams. We'll be walking through the steps one by one, ensuring you have a seamless experience. To begin, open your web browser and go to your Trello board. This is where you have all your cards, lists, and other organizational features set up to manage your projects. Once there, navigate to the right side of the screen and click on the Power Ups button. Power Ups are like plugins that enhance Trello's capabilities, allowing it to integrate with various other applications, such as Jira. Next, select the Add Power Ups option. This will take you to a marketplace where you can find various integrations to enhance Trello's functionality. In the search bar, type Jira and press Enter. This will present you with the options that can link Trello to Jira. Find the Jira Power Up from the list and click on the Add button. By doing so, you are essentially installing a bridge that enables both platforms to communicate with each other. After adding, click on the settings link that appears once the power-up is successfully integrated. This will open up a configuration page where you'll adjust the settings necessary to establish a connection. Look for the Edit Power-Up Settings option and click it. In the following menu, you'll see the Connect to Jira button, which you should select. At this point, the system will prompt you to enter your Jira URL. To find this, go to your Jira page, copy the URL from your browser's address bar, and then paste it into the designated field in the Trello Power Up configuration. After pasting the URL, click Connect to Jira again to establish the link. You might be asked to authorize the connection at this stage. Go ahead and click Authorize when prompted to ensure that Trello can sync data with Jira securely. Once you have authorized the connection, close the menu to go back to your Trello board. Now you're going to navigate back by clicking the Power Ups button again. This will bring up all the power ups currently active on your board. With the integration set up, feel free to head over to your new board in Trello. Here you can click on Add Another List to start organizing tasks or projects that are now ready to sync with Jira. By integrating these two platforms, you'll be able to streamline your project workflows and improve productivity across your teams. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Trello to Jira, making your project management efforts more efficient. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for tuning in today.